Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to a website which contains free SEO tools. SEO or search engine optimization is the process of optimizing websites so as to get organic traffic from search engines by helping website rank higher in search results. SEO tools are tools that help in website analysis SEO. I am introducing you to Optizord.com, the website that contains 50+ free SEO tools. The first tool that you see on the website is Website Reviewer Tool. Just type in any website and you can get a full SEO analysis on that website. The tool will analyze the entire website and give you a rating out of 100. It will show the areas that are good, that can be improved, and the errors that are in the website. Further, you can see a detailed report on all aspects that affect search engine rankings of your website. And this will enable you to make on-page improvements to your website. Moving on to the other SEO tools in the website. We have the Plagarism checker for checking plagiarism. The word counter tool to check number of words and characters in any article. Grammar checker to correct grammar. Text-to-speech converter to convert text into audio. YouTube downloader to download audio and video from YouTube. Keyword suggestion tool and long-tail keyword tool for getting high-ranking keywords on all search engines. And the website contains many more useful tools that specifically help in SEO analysis of any website. The website has a total of 50 such tools and it is absolutely free to use. The only premium feature in the website is that of Website Reviewer Tool, the benefit being you can generate and download unlimited reports using your customized logo for just $1 per month. Do check out and use all these amazing SEO tools which are absolutely free. You can find the website link in description.